Make sure you got the right size plastic for your sealing height. Get the trusty old hook knife. And unfold the plastic. That removes. You got your non-slip rubber foot for the sealing, and get your plastic it's going to go on the sealing, that bit there. And get your clip, push it back over those feet and lock it on so your plastic doesn't move. Then you get your pole and the ball joint clips in. Then extend the pole. So extend the first one, not the bottom one. Extend the first one. Reach down to the bottom. Ensure you've got your grip disc on the floor. Pull your plastic tight on the grip disc. Leave a 10mm gap so you can lift your pole up and pull the plastic under. Then push the pole all the way up, nice and tight, and lock it off. And there you've got your sturdy pole. Then move along to the next poles. So we've got the foam rails, same thing as what's used for the top, can be used against the wall sideways. We've got a clip here, the ball joint clips in there. This goes against the pole, against the wall, and that simply holds the plastic against the wall so no dust can get out. We've got you can see along the top there, the foam molds into the ceiling and seals off the plastic nicely. Once again, put the grip disc on the floor and tighten that off. Alternatively, you can use the magnetic strips. So we've got the magnetic ZipWall strips for suspended ceilings or anything metallic, as in whatever a magnet will stick to. Comes with a clip, put it on top of the ZipWall pole, clip the strip on there like so, and then extend that up. Zippers. These are adhesive backed zippers. Come with their own little cutter. Once you've got your wall up, put your door anywhere you like, whether you've got one zip in the middle, it's just a slit and you open and go through, or you do a line of a bit of a C and you can have it like a flap, or you have two zippers and roll it up. Today we're going to do two zippers, and it's important to have the zip on the bottom of the door, and simply to work out where it goes, hold it up just so it's just above the bottom of the plastic, just at the floor level, and peel the back off, easy back. And then you've got a little zipper cutter, slip the plastic, and you have two little hooks. plastic. And you've got your door.